Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ACME.sh for SSL renewals on VPS step by step clearly. To register with ACME.sh for SSL renewals on your VPS, start by accessing your server through SSH. Log in using your administrator credentials. Ensure that your server has a compatible operating. Next, download the ACME.sh script by running the command curl https://get.acme.sh. Once the script is downloaded, navigate to your .acme.sh directory. You can do this by typing cd/.acme.sh. Now, it's time to set up your account keys. Run the command /acme.sh register account and your -email at example.com. Replace your -email at example.com with your actual email address. This will register your account with ACME.sh for notifications and renewal reminders. Next, you'll need to issue your first SSL certificate. Use the command /acme.sh issue to yourdomain.com w/path/to/your/webroot. Make sure to replace yourdomain.com and /path/to/your/webroot with your actual domain and web. After successfully issuing the certificate, you will find it in the /acme.sh/yourdomain.com/ directory. To install the certificate, run /acme.sh install cert yourdomain.com keyfile /path/to/your/keyfile fullchain file /path/to/your/fullchain file. Adjust the paths accordingly to where you want to store your key and fullchain files. Now, configure a cron job for automatic renewals. Open your cron tab by typing cron tab E. Add the line 00****/path/to/acme.sh cron home /path/to/.acme.sh/dev/null. This sets the job to run daily at midnight. Save and exit the editor. You have now successfully registered with ACME.sh for SSL renewals on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.